Okay, in this video we're going to do practice 14b, which is annotating construction documents. So we're going to, for task 1, we're going to create a life safety plan, which includes lines and symbols. So we're going to open up a new project, which is in front of us, and we're going to open up the first floor of a life safety plan. Now, that's a bit big, so let's change it to a different scale. So we're going to change it to 1 to 200. And then we're then going to go to the visibility, and then we want to turn off casework. Sorry, we want to turn on casework. Turn on furniture systems. And we also want to make those items half-toned. Well, then click OK, and then all those elements should be like a little bit grey. Now on the Annotate tab, which is what we'll be using for this one, we then want to make on the detail panel a detail line. And then in the line styles drop-down box, we want to have life safety diagonal. And when we draw this up, we want the chain ticked, so that's a good option there. And then we want to basically draw some lines in here. So from this door here, we want to come to this one here. And then from this door here, a bit wrong, so we can come to here, and then we want to, these are our life safety diagonal lines. Do some more detail lines. Again, we want the life safety travel distance. And what we're going to do is then draw some lines along here. And then let's say we want to come from this room here along. We want to come down, around, then maybe out through this door here. And likewise, we want to go out the building. So just using the detail line tool, using the draw line option, and then the type of line that we're using is just select from the list. Now we want to zoom in to the front of the building, and what we then want to do is on the Annotate tab, one of the very last buttons here is the symbol button. So we want to click on the symbol, and from the list here, the arrow symbol isn't there, so let's say load family. We want to go to our class library and see if we can find our life safety arrowhead. We click open, and the arrowhead is then on the end of the cursor, and using the space bar we can then rotate it around automatically. So I might put one there, I might then put one at the end there. Right, so then that is our symbols done. So the symbol command is just symbols, and then place it wherever you like. Place it along the line, we can hover over the line, hit spacebar, and it will rotate to match the lines. Now task number 2, we want to create a life safety plan text. So again on the Annotate tab, we just want to go to the text panel and select some text. We want them to be aerial. Let's go 3.5mm. Oh, no 3mm there. So let's select one of them. Let's click on edit and let's duplicate this existing type and call it 3mm aerial. And in the properties down here, let's change the text size to 3. And then the width factor to 0.9. Go OK. And then we want to make another style, so let's go edit, let's go duplicate. Make a new name. Adjust some of the pieces. And then we want to then draw some text, so we can draw a little text box. Let go of the mouse. Do some text, and if we want to add some of the leaders, we can then add a leader. Some more text. Okay, well, might be a crop region there, so let's turn on a crop region. Let's come along to here, let's grab this. And oh, we've only got that much space to do it in, so we can grab this 15mm clear. Some notes done. Do some bit of the note there. Okay, we can stretch this up a little bit. I'm going to make this note box a little bit smaller and then re-edit the notes. Okay, now if we want a curved leader, let's click on the little curved leader note. Go. Okay, now what we can do is we can also do some text. Do some more text. And if we want to rotate them to match it, we can select the text and let's let's say we can then just rotate them using the rotate symbol. We'll put it up against it and we can just rotate it to be a little bit fatter. And then I want to zoom to fit. And there it is, it's finished.